Hey, it's Jeff Black with Listings KW Realty Group. We are here in one of the most sought after neighborhoods in all of Waterloo, Upper Beechwood. With close proximity to the boardwalk, Costco, and so many amenities, I am unbelievably excited to introduce you to one of the most premium opportunities on the market today. Welcome to 614 Beechwood Drive. Let's head on in and take a look. As you walk through the front door, you're greeted with premium finishes throughout. This is the luxurious lifestyle you've been dreaming of coming home to. With all this natural light coming through the big bay window, the living room is a great spot for a good read or to have a great conversation with friends. The gourmet kitchen offers all the finishing touches you've been looking for. With its open concept into the family room, this is the site of so many future family memories. The butler's pantry offers a great prep station for drinks and hors d'oeuvres. And the dining room offers a more formal dining experience. At the end of a long day, you'll look forward to retiring to this master bedroom with his and hers walk-in closets and a dream ensuite bathroom. You are absolutely going to love it here. The master ensuite was recently renovated with his and hers vanities, featuring hands-grow faucets, a beautiful walk-in shower, and a special treat, a heated towel warmer and heated tile floors. The bedrooms in this home are a fantastic size. This bedroom offers a unique addition, its own ensuite and walk-in closet. The lower level offers a second kitchen area, fantastic for multi-generation families or a great space for that man cave or sheet end that you've been dreaming of. The three-piece bath has some added comfort, this beautiful sauna. The basement space is rounded out by two large bedrooms, one with its own wood-burning fireplace. These are great spaces for additional family members, guests, or for an office location. The backyard offers peace and tranquility. This is the Zen lifestyle that every backyard should offer. With its ideal location and fantastic finishes, this is that forever family home you've been dreaming of. This is Jeff Black with the Listings KW Realty Group. Call me today, 519-500-7706.